How to make passive income with Midjourney, Printify, and Etsy. Print on demand tutorial. So go ahead and open your browser. In this video, we will go through each process of how to sell products on Printify and Etsy using Midjourney. First of all, let us try to research the demand for products. What we want to do is to find niches that have low competition but still have a good amount of demand. You don't want to jump into some of the very obvious niches like home decor or art prints, which obviously do have a high demand, but they also have so much competition. One platform where you can do this research is on the Etsy itself. To start off, just click on this search bar and type in a broad niche that you can think of at the top, because then if you scroll through the search results, you can find inspiration for sub niches that have lower competition. So for example, I will type in journal template. Once we enter that, you can see that there are almost 210,000 listings or results for this one. So this is a pretty competitive niche. This just means that if you're going to sell normal or mediocre journal templates, you probably won't sell that much. But what we can do is to find specific niches and get inspirations from them just to niche down further. Now, as you scroll down, you will see products with these add by Etsy seller tags, and that just means that the sellers paid for them to appear in this page. So these are not organically high. What you would want to look for is products that are organically high without these add by Etsy seller tags. Another thing that you would want to look for is this purple star icons. These are tags that are earned by sellers with an outstanding track record for providing a great customer experience. And once you click on a product that has high sales, sometimes the best seller tags will appear, and from the word itself, these are very good indications of high sales, which means that an item has a high sales volume over the past 6 months. Now scroll down and you can also base on the reviews of people. If it has a lot of good reviews, then it is a good sign, which will give you the possibility of having a lot of sales as well once you made your own product inspired from this. Now, once you have decided a design that is doing well, you would have to check the competition results on Etsy. And to do that, again, just type in the keyword that describes your chosen niche. In this case, it is printable bullet journal. So type that in on the search bar, and here you can see that the total is way less than our 210,000 results a while ago. It is still high, so if this is your situation, I suggest for you to find another sub niche with less than competition. Well, let's at least try to lessen the competition more and add another category. I'll try to change it to stickers and then add animals. You can either do floral, chibi, food, whatever category you have in mind. And as you can see, we only have 4-digit results, which means less competition. So let's go with that. Just make sure that what you're offering is timely and really functionable to make sure that you will sell. Next thing to do after researching is create your design. To do this, I'll be using Midjourney and Canva to lay out our design. Just a little background, Midjourney is used for creating images using prompts. So basically, this is an AI tool that will make photos based on your words. Now to use this, you need Discord, so make sure to have that. Once you're in Discord application and you are subscribed to any of the Midjourney plans, you will have this private bot, and this is where you will type the command for Midjourney to generate images for you. To do that, type in /imagine, and then this will appear, so click on that. And inside this prompt box, you will use words to describe the picture that you want. Since we want animal stickers, a cute chibi art style would be a good. You can type in any art style that you want. Use commas to separate your descriptions. I'll follow it by a happy corgi walking. and then I'll add in white background just so it is easy to lay out later. Now just wait for this to finish loading, and once it is loaded, you will then see these 4 images. You can upscale this by tapping on the U buttons, this U1, U2, U3, U4 buttons. By the way, this is their numbering. This is image 1, image 2, 3, and 4. U stands for upscale, and once it's done loading, you can then see the image individually. If you did not like any of the results but you want to use the same prompt, just click on this refresh button and it will then generate new set of images based on the same prompt. Another feature that you can use if you're not yet satisfied with the results that you have is the version. These V1 to V4 buttons means version, and once you click on one, variations of the same prompt which you can edit will then show, and you can then choose from the results. Since I want it to be a vector style, I'll add that in this prompt and then enter that in. If you have what you want, the image that you want, upscale it again by pressing on the U buttons, and once it's loaded, click on web, this web button, and then this page will then open. From here, you can then click on save to have a copy of the image in your device. You can do it until you reach the number of stickers that you want. So once you're done generating images on the Midjourney, we can then proceed to the layout of our printable pages. For this step, I'll be using Canva since this is the most accessible and beginner-friendly editing website. But you can use Photoshop, Photopeia, or any editing software that you know how to use. Now, as you can see, once I upload the pictures from Midjourney in this file that I have, the stickers will appear in this tab, and once you click on it, they will appear on your page, which you can then edit and lay out. This is a sample of a page that I finished editing. This is a full page of Corgi stickers pack that you can then sell in Printify. Now, go to their site and make sure that your account is logged in. Once you're in their homepage, click on this drop down below your profile icon and then click on add a new store. This is to connect our Etsy to Printify. In this page, scroll down and then you should see this Etsy window. Click on connect to Etsy, and then from here, just choose your account, grant access, and after that, your account should now be connected and you can then start selling your products. Click on orders. Scroll down and then click on the create product button. In this page, you can scroll down and find templates wherein you can put your design like t-shirts, bags, phone cases, and a lot more. But since I'm specifically making stickers for this video, let's search that on top, and then sticker options will then show. Just choose one. In here, there's actually a lot of options where you can choose where to get your design. But in my case, I'll choose my device since I have one already from Midjourney and Canva. Choose the layout that we did a while ago, and then it will then appear on Printify. And once you're done, click on Save Product. Once it's loaded, just edit the details for mock-ups, the product title, the description, and other product details. Once you're done, just click on Publish and it will then be displayed on your store. So that is how to make passive income with Midjourney, Printify, and Etsy. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.